Boys and girls, and welcome to your phonics lesson for the day. Today we're going to talk about blends, and we're going to talk about blends for the rest of the week. A blend is a consonant cluster where there are two consonants put together and you hear both sounds. There are so many words in our language that have blends, and you might not even know it, but we're going to go into detail about it now. So again, a blend has two consonants where you can hear both sounds. We're going to talk about L blends, R blends, and S blends this week. So those are blends that have the L letter, R letter, or S letter. And more importantly, the L sound, the R sound, and the S sound. So let's look over at our anchor chart. And boys and girls, I tried my best to draw a blender so you could see how those words blend together. We have L blends, and I wrote three examples. We have block, flower, and plain. Notice in all three of those words, we hear the L sound, but there's a different beginning sound. So we have bl for block, fl for flower, and pl for plain. All of those blends have the letter L in them, though, and that's what makes them L blends. We also can go over to the R blends. Those are words that have the R sound in it. Here are some examples. Cry, cross, and frog. Notice each of those words have the R sound in it, but it has a beginning sound that's different, and the beginning sound and the R sound are heard in the word. So we have cry, cross, and frog. And last but not least, we have our S blends. S blends. I wrote three words that start with S and have another consonant afterward. So we have slug, I hate slugs, star, and skirt. Those are all S blends. So again, today was just an introduction to blending, and you all are going to be able to play a game that helps you kind of see what practice and play around with some blends. So I want you all to complete that activity after watching this video, and throughout the week, you'll go into detail about each of these blend clusters. So I hope you enjoy the game, and I'll see you next class.